Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, where creativity meets simplicity. In today's video we are diving into something that many of you have been asking for, 3 easy beginner woodworking projects that can actually sell and make money. Yes, you heard that right. You do not need to be a professional woodworker, you do not need an expensive workshop, and you definitely do not need complicated tools to create beautiful pieces that people will love to buy. Whether you are looking to start a new hobby, decorate your home, or earn extra income from crafts, this video will inspire you to pick up that first piece of wood and get started. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let us explore how you can turn simple woodworking ideas into real profit. Let us begin with a question. Have you ever seen a small wooden decor piece in a store and thought, that looks so simple but it is so expensive? That is exactly the kind of opportunity woodworking offers. Many of those high-priced items are made from very basic materials and simple techniques, but they look polished, unique, and handmade. That combination of creativity and craftsmanship is what makes people willing to pay for them. And the best part is, you can make similar projects yourself even if you are a complete beginner. So how can you start? The key is to focus on easy, beginner-friendly projects that are both fun to make and attractive to buyers. These projects should be small enough to handle at home, but valuable enough to sell at a good price. In this video we will talk about 3 main types of woodworking projects that fit this description perfectly. Instead of focusing on complex builds, we will explore the principles and ideas behind them, so you can use your creativity to design your own unique versions. Number 1. Simple and stylish home decor pieces. Home decor items are always in demand because everyone wants to make their living space feel special. And wooden decor has a timeless appeal. It adds warmth, texture, and personality to any room. You can start with small, elegant designs that are easy to create and require very little material. Think of simple wall accents, tabletop decorations, or shelf pieces that look custom-made. The trick is in the finish. Even basic pieces of pine or pallet wood can look expensive when sanded smooth and stained in warm, rich tones. A light coat of varnish or matte sealer can bring out the natural grain of the wood and give it that professional touch. Another secret is simplicity. Clean lines, balanced shapes, and minimal details always look high-end. Many people love a minimalist or rustic design. It fits any interior style and looks beautiful without being complicated. If you can create decor that looks store-bought but feels handmade, you are already one step ahead in the woodworking market. Number 2. Functional everyday items with a handmade touch. Next, let us talk about something that people love even more than decor: functional items that they can actually use. These are everyday objects that serve a purpose but still look stylish. It could be small organizers, holders, or storage solutions. The beauty of these kinds of crafts is that they combine usefulness and aesthetics, 2 things customers value the most. You can design something practical that solves a small problem at home, like keeping items tidy or adding a decorative touch to a workspace. And when made from natural wood, it always gives a warm, cozy feeling that people are drawn to. The best part is that functional projects are often easier to price and sell, because buyers see their value immediately. They know it is not just decoration, it is something they will use every day. You can also make variations in size, shape, or color to match different preferences. That flexibility helps you appeal to more people and build a small collection over time. Number 3. Personal and giftable wooden creations. Now here is where things get even more exciting: giftable wood crafts. People love buying unique, personalized gifts for their friends and family, and wooden items are perfect for that. They feel meaningful, long-lasting, and elegant. These types of projects can be small, but they have big emotional value. When you create something that people can give as a gift, you are not just selling a product, you are selling a story, a connection, and a memory. The demand for personalized handmade items has been growing every year, especially during holidays and special occasions. So, this is an amazing niche to explore even if you are just starting out. You can easily offer customization by engraving, painting, or using simple letter stencils. Even without advanced tools, adding initials, quotes, or dates can turn a basic wooden craft into something truly special. Now that we have covered the 3 main types of beginner-friendly woodworking projects, let us talk about how to make them look professional, because that is what helps them sell. First, focus on the finishing touches. Take time to sand every piece until it feels smooth. Apply a wood conditioner, stain, or sealant to protect it and enhance its color. Details like polished edges and smooth corners show care and craftsmanship, which customers always notice. Second, photography matters. When you share your creations online or on social media, use good lighting and simple backgrounds. Let the natural beauty of the wood stand out. A well-lit photo can make your craft look 10 times more valuable. Third, tell your story. People do not just buy products, they buy passion. When you describe your crafts, share what inspired you to make them or how you source the materials. Even if you are working with scrap wood or repurposed pieces, mention that it adds charm and sustainability appeal. If you are thinking about selling your woodworking crafts, start small. Share your pieces with family, friends, and local markets. You can also use online platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, or Instagram to showcase your work. Set fair prices that cover your materials, time, and creativity. And remember, as your skills improve, so will the quality of your projects and your profits. Every successful woodworker started with just one project. Over time, they refined their techniques, developed their style, and built loyal customers. That same journey can be yours too. The beauty of woodworking is that it teaches patience, focus, and problem solving. It allows you to create something real, something you can touch, display, and be proud of. And when someone buys one of your pieces, it is more than just a sale. It is a shared appreciation for craftsmanship and creativity. So, whether you want to decorate your home, earn a little extra income, or simply enjoy the satisfaction of making something with your hands, woodworking is a wonderful place to start. Even the smallest piece of wood has potential. And with imagination and effort, you can turn it into something valuable, beautiful, and one of a kind. Thank you so much for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next upload. We share new ideas every 2 days, from creative woodworking inspiration to easy DIY projects that anyone can make at home. Stay creative, stay inspired, and remember, every masterpiece begins with a single piece of wood. Scroll video description. Want to turn your woodworking hobby into something profitable? In this video, Craft Catalog shares 3 easy beginner woodworking ideas that can actually sell. Learn how to create simple, beautiful projects that look professional, even with basic tools. Perfect for beginners who want to decorate, create, and earn at the same time.